Hello, my friend. Welcome to Easy English Learning. Today's story is called You Are Not Alone. Let's take a deep breath and begin together. Sometimes we feel happy. Sometimes we feel strong. But other times we feel low. We feel quiet. We feel sad. And that's okay. It's okay to be sad. Sad feels heavy, like clouds in the sky, like slow rain. Your heart feels soft. Your eyes feel full. You don't want to talk. You don't want to smile. Sometimes you cry. Sometimes you just sit. And that's okay too. Everyone feels sad sometimes. Even strong people. Even happy people, even your friends and family. We are human, and sadness is part of life. When you feel sad, you don't have to do much. You don't have to fix everything. You can rest. You can breathe. You can be still. You can lie down. You can drink warm tea. You can listen to soft music. You can sit by the window and just watch the sky. You can talk to someone, or you can be quiet for a while. You can write in your notebook, or just hold your pillow. You don't need to be okay right away. You don't need to smile all the time. You don't need to hide. It's okay to be sad, and it's okay to take your time. Sadness is not forever. Like the rain, it will stop. Like the clouds, it will move. Slowly, softly, you will feel light again. Maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, but soon. One small step, one deep breath, one kind word at a time. So if you feel sad now, that's okay. Be gentle with yourself. Don't rush, don't push. Just breathe. Just feel. Just be. Because it's okay to be sad. And it's okay to be you. If this story made you feel calm, you can listen again anytime. Remember, sadness is not weakness. It is a part of being human. You are not alone. You are doing your best, and that is enough.